What's going on, guys? Astro with Hidden Profits Crypto here. Before we get today's video started, as usual, I want to give a huge thanks to everybody who's been supporting the channel. You guys keep me motivated to keep making these videos, and I really do appreciate the support. Anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead and hop into today's video. So today, guys, is finally the day we start plotting Chia. Finally. It feels like it has been literally forever, but finally, pools, the mainnet beta is here, so we can start plotting. So let's go ahead and hop over to the other PC and let's take a look at what we got going on. All right, so here we are over at the Chia Rig. You can see we are currently farming. I was having a ton of syncing issues before I updated to this version that we're at now, which I believe is the 1.79 or something along those lines. Whatever the current version is as of 7.5.21, that's what version I'm using, and it seems to have fixed the syncing issues that I was having. It literally would not sync at all. I was on like an older version, so that would probably explain it. Syncing issues aside, if you remember the last time I left off, I was at about 50 to 51 plots. I had about 5 terabytes plotted. Right now we're sitting at 60. I just started it up last night, and I will go over what pool I decided to go with here in a second. But you can see with 60 plots, my estimated time to win is 3 years. Now it was 4, so it has gone down a year, which I guess is better than nothing. But I don't even really think that matters at this point anyway, so I'm just going to kind of ignore it. The total network space now is 30 exabytes or whatever they're called. Let's go ahead and hop over to the pools tab. And I actually decided to go with space pools. Now, if you guys are a viewer or a fan of Coin Breakthrough, he makes a lot of really good videos on Chia. This is actually his pool that him and his team or whatever created. He makes a lot of really good videos, so make sure to go over there and check him out if you guys haven't. But that is actually the pool that I decided to go with. I just want to see. I'm just going to stick with this one for now, and then if I decide to go into any other pools, I'll do that at a later time. But for right now, I'm just going to start plotting. Now, since it is on the mainnet beta, there is a chance that these plots that I am plotting, if we go over to the plots tab, you can see I got quite a few queued, but there is a risk that something might change and these plots that we're plotting right now might not be able, I might have to replot for the actual like fully finished mainnet, but it's a risk I'm willing to take just because I'm itching so bad to get back into Chia, and it's just worth the risk to me. I can always, you know, clear the plots and redo it. It's not a big deal. I'm running 4 parallel at the moment just by queuing them at different times, because it seems like the plot and parallel thing just doesn't really work right. I haven't tried it on this update, and I will, but right now I just kind of queue them with like, you know, 10 plots at a time, and then just kind of queue them or start them at like different times basically, and that seems to work good. But I'm running like 4 in parallel. I don't seem to be running into any issues, so I'm just gonna kind of rock with this. I'm not into the whole Mad Max and like rushing to get plots down as fast as possible. You know, to me that's not that important, especially since I might have to replot anyways. So if I have to replot, it doesn't make any sense to rush to get all these down. I'm just gonna wear things out that I could kind of preserve just by taking it slow. Everybody wants to rush. I like to take things more from like a slower standpoint, or at least in this case, take it a little slower. So I'll just be running this amount of tasks. I know a lot of people will probably be like, you could run more or this, that. I know. So I'm definitely interested to see what the payouts are, how things are gonna work with that. I am a little, I'm not 100% up to date with all my information on how everything is working. So I don't want to go and start telling people things that I'm not 100% on. So until I know exactly, you know, how much, you know, I'm going to be making and all the details, until then, I don't want to go and say too much. So I will update obviously, because, you know, this is the Chia journey. So you guys are going to just be here with me the whole way through. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested in joining Space Pools, I will leave a link to their website down below. And then definitely make sure to go and check out Coin Breakthrough for anything related to that, as it is his pools, and he's got a lot of really good info on Chia and anything like that. So make sure to go over there, check him out, tell him I sent you. Anyways, that's gonna wrap it up. Make sure to stay tuned for the rest of the Chia videos. I'm definitely excited to get back into this. Chia is something that was really attractive to me when I very first seen it, and just, you know, Burst I think was a cool idea. So Chia, definitely something that I'm excited to get back into, excited to see how the pools go, and hopefully we can make some money. That's, you know, that's what it's about. Anyways, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.